All right, welcome back, art class. Here I have my hand traced. I've made sure that this one doesn't have the weird blob on the side of the finger. And I've done my lines, making sure that I skipped each part. And as you can tell, they are a fingernail apart. If you're doing them wide apart, it's not going to work as easy and it's not going to look as good. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to come around and I'm going to make the hand look 3D. Now we know shapes are flat, like this piece of paper. So if we want this to look like a form, even though it's not one, we need to make it look like it's 3D, like it comes out into space. And a hand isn't flat, it's round. It rounds over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this pinky and I'm going to connect these two lines with a frowny face. And I'm going to do all of the lines in the fingers with frowny faces. And I'm doing this one-handed. Yours is going to look nicer, less rushed than mine. Now, this part is the difficult part near the fingers. You just want to look at that. It's going to look kind of like waves. So I'm going to do frowny face, frowny face, frowny face like that. Now, when I get to this big wide part, it's just going to be a big, long frowny face. Be careful to do these in order. I see a lot of people connecting this one to this one, and it gets very confusing. So make sure you are connecting the correct lines. Look how that looks at an angle. I'm not moving it sideways like that. I'm keeping them going across. So now I'm going to do some more big ones. Now when I get to this bump in the thumb, I'm going to come around like this, and I'm going to bump again. See how I bumped again? The rest should be pretty easy. Other than the paper's moving, I kind of went too close to that one. Do a better job. Let me keep in mind I can't hold my paper down while I'm working because I'm doing a video. All right, I think you get the gist of it. So that is the next step. All right. Happy art making!